your car too.
Let's go with the granny flag. Is that a Supra? Who did it? Come on. Dead white.
Welcome back. Another video for this 2015 Chevy Malibu, the 2.5. We're going to be changing the battery. This is a big freaking battery. It's a, hold on, I'll read it. It's a Group 49 AGM battery. This thing costs like $250, $300 depending on where you're getting it. The issue we're having with the car is it was showing a P228D high pressure fuel pump, or high pressure sensor code, whatever. It was saying it had overly high pressure, and I've checked all over the internet and the forums and the Facebook group, and a lot of people say that any type of sensor codes could be related to this battery being low, and I'm pretty sure this is the original battery. It's 2024 now, so this battery is like 9 years old. It was really cold when this code came up, so the previous video I did for this car was changing the sensor on the fuel rail, and I've got a new battery to put in it, so that's what we're going to do right now. Most of this should be fairly simple stuff. There's a lot of things you've got to disconnect apparently on this thing. I don't know if I can one hand this little cover off of here. Maybe. Yep, there we go. So this comes off, and under here there's a whole bunch of stuff that we've got to take off. So this whole harness and everything, I believe, comes off with just a few bolts. I think we can get the majority of it off with just removing this clamp, and then all of this can kind of come up off of it. We want to be careful. There's a lot of electronics on this freaking thing. It's not like my old beater Mazdas and stuff that I'm used to working on. Yeah, it looks like most of this can come off pretty easy. So let's get a probably 10mm deep, and let's loosen these. I don't think I have to do anything special. I mean, I'm pretty sure a battery is a battery. I guess we're gonna find out. I don't think there's anything special we have to do. So let's oh my god, I can't even talk. Let's knock these loose and try to see if we can get this battery out of this car. I don't particularly want to break any of this plastic. I don't know if we have to remove anything here. I'm thinking we can just kind of get it all and like move it to the side. I think we can just take all this off like this. But to get to this clip over here, we're going to take this off. I didn't want to even touch this, but you can just pick up on this and just to get to this clip here. Okay, there, just like that. So now all of this is loose. Okay, there we go. So we're just going to try to very carefully pick all this up and like fold it and move it back over here out of the way. Actually, let's see if we can straight set this up. See if I can get you guys where you can kind of watch this. This might be easier to, yeah. have no idea how these are supposed to come off, but that's an 8. Don't lose your little nut. It's probably a 13. Yep. Oh yeah, that was definitely the right move. Okay. Holy shit. It's just crap. It's just plastic crap. Put a fucking wrench on shit to hold it out of the way. Holy shit. What the fuck? What? Am I missing something? What the fuck? Oh god, I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. Aha. 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 There is a like a little wedged bolt-on clamp down here. See that? Gotta remove that apparently. God, I hate Chevrolet. It's just shit. It's all shit. I'm gonna take this all the way out. You might not need to, just so it's out of my freaking way. Okay. Holy shit. It's literally shit. It's just all shit. Holy fuck. Is that? Got another fucking. It's got another clamp that holds it in there. Oh my god, what a fucking pain in the ass all this shit is. For real. It's just shit, and it's all on the way. All of it. Look, it's just all on the way. I'm bleeding already. How the fuck am I bleeding already? Doing this whole damn thing on the video, aren't we? Oh, wrong one. Sure you have this pushed all the way down. Apparently the battery's connected now.
They're on the table.
Not gonna lie, that scared the living shit out of me. Straight out of my body, the shit. Holy moly. Make sure you get that thing in all three of its little slots. That for real scared the shit out of me. Wasn't expecting that. There we go. All right, that should be it. I'm gonna start the car. If it doesn't start and run the way it's supposed to, I'll bring you guys back. So let's hope that it starts the way it's supposed to. It did start fine. I just figured, fuck it, I'll just start it. I hear noise down in there. I think it's just a direct injection shit. I think it's okay. I mean, I think it's fine. I gotta check for leaks from my last operation on this thing. Smell for gas, make sure nothing's leaking. I think it's all good. So let's hope that we don't have any more problems with this car. I guess we'll see. Thanks, everybody.
Come on, boss! Come on! Yeah!